Dreaming of a bathroom that looks stunning for years? Say goodbye to outdated designs. Let's create a space that's stylish and lasts. Foundation of timeless design. A lasting bathroom starts with the right foundation. Neutral color schemes never go out of style. Think whites, grays, and earthy tones. Simple, elegant, timeless. Classic tiles make a big difference. Subway tiles, marble textures, or matte finishes stay trendy for decades. And lighting? Soft, layered lighting creates a warm and inviting feel. Wall sconces, pendant lights, and LED mirrors bring the perfect balance of style and function. Modern yet lasting upgrades. Now let's talk upgrades that last. Minimalist storage keeps your space sleek and clutter-free. Floating vanities and hidden cabinets make the room feel bigger and more organized. Want a luxurious touch? Freestanding tubs and walk-in showers are elegant, spacious, and practical. And don't forget eco-friendly choices. Water-saving fixtures and sustainable materials not only help the planet, but also add long-term value to your home. Small details, big impact. Tease the small details that create a big impact. Mix vintage and contemporary styles with statement mirrors and bold fixtures. Easily changeable elements like plants, rugs, and artwork let you refresh the look without a full remodel. And quality accessories, high-end faucets, stylish handles, and towel racks elevate the space effortlessly. A bathroom that stands the test of time is all about smart choices.